Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today we are going to pick the 3 winners of my VIP lounge giveaway. If you wonder what's the VIP lounge, is a monthly subscriptions that I offer on my website, where every month you get digital papers with gift boxes, discount codes, etc, etc. I'm going to showcase the papers of this month VIP lounge that all of you guys had the opportunity to win. I showcased a video in the beginning of the month, so just watch out because there will be a brand new giveaway next week. This is probably one of my favorite kits that I have designed. It has 14 pages and it's called Blue Toile. I love it. There are a mixture of background, tags and ephemera. So just going to quickly go through one by one. This is one background. As you can see here, I just made it a little bit dirty because I like it to be quite rusty and vintage. Another background. Some tags that you guys can fussy cut. Look how cute they are. This is one of my equestrian favorite scene. Got another one, another background, another geometric motifs. This will look amazing as a wallpaper if you wish to. Then you get a large envelope and a pillow box. You get some pockets for your journals or memory keeping if you do scrapbooking, because you can put photos or ephemera inside. Oh, this is one of my favorite pages of the kit. Now, I hope you can see there are 369 embellishments that I have designed on a blue, well, kind of like different shades of blue. So you've got some wasps and bees. There is a jellyfish. There is a lovely bow, seashell, a fly, another shell, another bow. Look at that, it's got the rose in the middle and the fish. Only because I thought if you mix and match, you can use this to decorate something else. Another set of tags, another geometric motif background, a plain background. I want to give you something different because you can cut this and create little cards, or you can use it as its own entirety. Another background, love these, and another one. Now, a lot of these geometric or toile motifs, some businesses have their own copyrighted design, so I have to kind of messing about with the faces because yeah, there is a lot of things that are copyrighted. But yeah, so that's kit number 1, and then kit number 2 is a little gift that all my VIP members will get this month, and it's a set of 12 bookmarks. So there's 16, sorry, that's 4 pages, and there is 4 on each page. So you've got a set of 4 here. They are very large, so you can use those tags or bookmarks. They are nearly 8 by 2 3/4. Very, very large. So you've got one with these lovely roses, one with the poppies. Look. Oh, love it. One with a giraffe. And another floral one. It looks like a little field. Okay, and last but not least, we have a 3D gift box letter. So we're doing the alphabet series. We are up to letter Q. So this is the template that you receive. So you get a sheet with the assembly instruction, and then of course the template that you just need to cut and put it together. Okay, so there is also a private video that I filmed showcasing how you put this together. Okay, so you just need to follow that, but also the video really helps. And on here, because I had quite a lot of space, so you get everything you need to get the 3D Q letter, and also because I had this space, I just put an additional pillow box. I have some letters here on my desk. Got letter O, letter P. But let me show you what the letter Q looks like when it's all done up. And this what it looks like when it's all done up. All my 3D letterboxes, they all stand up on their own. So look how cute that is. And this is what the pillow box looks like when it's done up. I mean, how cute is a little present. You can put chocolate, because it's the same size as my hand, so it's fairly big. And then this is the butterfly decoration that you have. So I have designed it to go on top of the pillow box, but nothing stops you to decorate the letter 2. Or you can use it for something else. I've got some more letters here on my desk. And I'll show you quickly the alphabet. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O. Let's now pick the 3 winners of this month giveaway. Okay guys, as usual, I am on pickawinner.co. It's just a free website where once you attach the YouTube video link, it will fetch you the comments and then it will pick a winner. So in my giveaway, I give the VIP lounge papers for free to 3 winners. So let's pick winner number 1. Lydia KV1597. You can make simple cards using one of the 6 slider shapes or others with the OM black or a white card front and sentiment. So congratulations Lydia, you're my first winner. The second winner is LCCESWS. Oh, Antonio, these are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. My mum will love them too. So I shall have to get them and make it a beautiful journal. So congratulations. And winner number 3 is Kathy Sexton. Amazing. I won last month, so I need to wait a while, but I will totally use all this in my journals. The tags will make fantastic ephemera and the backgrounds are gorgeous. Good luck, everyone. Now, because Kathy won last month, of course, I'm going to give it for free this month too, but I will pick a 4th winner just to make it a bit more fair, okay, to everybody. So the 4th winner is me. That's not my own comment. Jacqueline Condring 7582. Antonio will absolutely give away. Price you are giving away again. What beautiful colors, such old-fashioned paper and other beautiful paper. You can make beautiful junk journals with it. So congratulations, Jacqueline. Thank you so much, Guy. Congratulations to the 4 wonderful winners. Okay guys, congratulations to the 3 amazing winners, and a big thank you to every single one of you for participating to my giveaway. As I always say, the giveaways are my way to say thank you to every single one of you. At least every month I give the chance for you guys to win something in exchange for your love and support, and it's really much appreciated. Guys, if you like this video, please consider leaving a very big thumbs up, because it really supports with my journey here on YouTube. I will see you on Friday for a fabulous Friday freebie, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.